What's good, everybody? It's Dakari and I'm back with y'all with another video. Today, it's something special. Today's something special. My baby girl Luna downstairs in the garage, she's about to get that butt lifted, you feel me? She's about to get a little, yeah. Anyway, I got her a rear wing spoiler by Bomely or Bomely, however you pronounce it. Link will be in the description below if you guys want to check it out for yourself. Try it out on your Tesla. But thank you guys for tuning in. For all my new subscribers, thanks for subscribing to the channel. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the videos. To all my returning subscribers, welcome back. Make sure you hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on any other future uploads. Without further ado, hope you guys enjoy the video. All right, guys, so this is the box that came in. Just came in a couple days ago. And yeah, we're gonna get right into it. So it looks like inside the box, all we get is the instruction manual, which isn't much instructions, but it does give you a little installation video if you need help installing. As you can see, Bomely or Bomely Automotive, Tesla Model 3 rear spoiler, and the installation video. So got that, and you got the spoiler itself. So let's take it out. Let's see what we got. All right, guys, so this is a spoiler. Let's get her unboxed, unbubble wrapped. Ooh, this is nice. So this spoiler actually came in a carbon fiber finish, but I thought that the matte satin black finish on this spoiler flowed better in my current car, just because it doesn't have any carbon fiber on it. So I figured this would work better. So according to the installation video, it says that heating up this adhesive will help with the stickiness. It will help keep the spoiler intact. So I don't have a heat gun, so we're using a hair dryer by Revlon. Shout out Revlon. And so here we go. Go downstairs to the garage and get her installed. Very interested to see what this is gonna look like. Hopefully it turns out good. Y'all stay tuned and find out. Oh, she's dirty. As you guys can see, all of Luna's other accents are this satin matte black finish, so I figured that adding a satin matte black finish for the spoiler would make it flow better. I even blacked out the Tesla logo, the Tesla T. This was chrome before I spray painted it, and this was also chrome. Again, don't mind the dirtiness, but I spray painted this black as well, so. So the placement looks okay. I'm using this blue tape to mark where I want it to stay. Before using any vinyl adhesive or anything you put on your car, you always want to make sure it's clean. So we got alcohol, 70%. Make sure that she is clean. Now, it says to start by just peeling away one side of the tape, just slightly. of truth. Once you have it anchored down to where you like it, peel back all these red tabs and just press, peeling away. As you can see, she has got a new butt. Overall, this was a super easy install, and highly recommend that you guys give this product a try. It makes the car look a lot more sleek, a lot more sporty, and I think the overall fit and look and finish of this spoiler matches the rest of the black accents that go around the car. So I would say this was a success in installing and a success in style. For my next project, I'm going to do what they call a pillar delete. So from about this point up to a little past the mirrors, the top frame that is white will be black. So you guys stay tuned for that, but hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe down below, hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on any other future videos, and I will see you guys on the next one. Let's go.